Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So just like we spoke about what a vegan diet is in general, this week I'm going to show you how to get into fitness being a vegan bodybuilder, but only for beginners. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon, share and comment. All those things right down over there. So stay tuned for more. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to stretch correctly before all your exercises. Whether it be a chest workout, a leg day, a back workout, you name it. But you gotta do the stretches religiously. So why is stretches so important? What is the reason behind it? Well, it will save you from joint pains. It will help you with your blood flow. It'll even warm up your muscles. And it will save you from a lot of injuries. Trust me, I've gone through it and I don't want you guys to go through it at all. So just follow me. They're very simple exercises. And it probably will take about 5 minutes, but then it's worth it. All right. So guys, just follow me and listen to the music and enjoy. So guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed my simple program. You can do it anywhere, as you can see. So always remember, stretch before your workout, stretch after your workout as well. And a pro tip only for you guys, always stay hydrated. It'll help you with your recovery and it'll help you with your stretches. So if you're new to my channel, please like, share, comment, and please subscribe for more videos.